Unveiling Biochar, agriculture's secret weapon. The world's population is booming. We're already 8 billion strong, and by 2050, we'll be nearly 10 billion. With more people comes more demand. But here's the big question: how do we feed everyone without destroying the planet? Traditional farming gave us short-term gains, but at a heavy cost: degraded soils, weaker crops, and a climate in crisis. But what if farming could not only feed us, but also heal the planet? That's where regenerative farming comes in. Methods like cover cropping, no-till farming, agroforestry, and the star of today's story, biochar. Long before the term existed, the ancient Amazonian civilization created terra preta, rich black soils, that remain fertile even today. Their secret: biochar. Unlike regular charcoal, biochar is engineered for the soil. It's made by heating organic material in low oxygen, a process called pyrolysis. Why is biochar revolutionary? 1. Supercharges soils. 2. Locks carbon for centuries. 3. Creates value from waste. 4. Helps crops resist climate extremes. Biochar has millions of microscopic pores. Like a giant sponge, it traps nutrients, holds water, and creates perfect homes for soil microbes.
Watch as we dive into the fascinating world of biochar. Zooming in, we reveal the intricate pores that hold secrets. These tiny spaces are where magic happens. Nutrients and water molecules stick inside. It's like a microscopic party, nourishing the soil. Biochar isn't just carbon, it's a lifeline for plants. Join us in exploring how these pores transform agriculture. Did you know plants are nature's superheroes? They capture carbon dioxide, turning it into life. But wait, there's more. This carbon can be transformed into biochar. Locked in the soil for centuries, it helps our planet. A simple cycle of growth and renewal. So let's support our green friends and fight climate change together.
In Vietnam, rice farmers added rice husk biochar. Yields increased, fertilizer use dropped, and methane emissions were cut in half. In Italy, greenhouse tomato growers mixed biochar into potting soil. The result? Higher yields, less fertilizer, and better fruit quality.
So, I'm supposed to save the planet and build a better future? Yeah, that's a tall order. But here's how we can make a difference in 3 steps. Step 1. Embrace factories that support rural villages with sustainable practices. We're not just producing, we're empowering communities. Step 2. Introduce pyrolysis machines to convert waste into biochar bricks. This isn't just recycling, it's revolutionizing our resources. Final step. Use eco-concrete made from biochar for a greener construction. Boom! Sustainable building, no compromise on quality. Y'all see this? Join the movement for a cleaner planet. Or keep ignoring it. Your choice.
And here's where you come in. Learn about biochar, compost at home, support local farmers, and advocate for its adoption. Farming is more than growing food. It's about shaping the future. Every soil restored with biochar is a quiet act of healing. When farmers thrive, the earth breathes easier. And together, we inherit a greener, healthier tomorrow.